You are not going to want to miss this episode with Jason Bailey of FCI Homes, because we're talking about this house in the new progress with this amazing view, only $2.67 million. Check out what he has to say.
Really, Mary?
Hey, it's Mary Bartos with Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, and you know we're standing here in Saturn. It maybe look familiar a little bit because we've been following this home during the build process with Jason Bailey from FCI Homes. Hello, Jason.
Hey, how are you?
We've got him. I'm great. We have him here talking about what's happened since we last were here. Now, first of all, we're standing upstairs in this amazing view. This home is listed for $2.67 million if you're interested in buying it, but look at that. Is it not amazing? So talk about what has happened since we were here last.
Yeah, so last time we had cabinets in, we have countertops in place now, tiles in progress, electricians have started doing some of the trim out work with light fixtures, switches, things like that. Air conditioning's just been installed, so we're starting to trim the house out, get some of the finishes in.
That's awesome. And from this stage in the home, how much longer does it take until you CO or certificate of occupancy, for those you don't know what a CO is?
Yeah, sure. So, you know, if all the materials continue to show up on time, I'd like to say that, you know, less than 3 months from now, we're going to be done, and hopefully a lot sooner.
Okay. So what else has to be done? Obviously landscaping, because we're seeing dirt here. The pool, what do you have to do to the pool still?
Yeah, so with regards to the pool, we've got some waterline tile to do, we have coping to do, we have the pool deck, which is going to be a shell stone material, which is a nice upgraded natural stone material.
I love that.
Paver driveway has to go in, plumbing trim, so all the toilets, faucets, things like that has to happen. A lot of punch out work, driveway, like you said, landscaping, irrigation.
Yeah.
That's just about it. Appliances at the very end, and then, you know, we're ready.
And somebody can move in. This is amazing street on Saturn Court in Marco Island, because you're also only half a mile from the beach access point here. And we haven't really talked about the location. So there's a lot of people that live here full-time, as well as some vacation rental properties. So if this was one that you loved, Jason would love to put you in as a new homeowner into this property. Again, $2.67 million. It's amazing. Great build with FCI Homes. I recommend them, you know, at the top of my list of anyone that's looking for a home here in Marco. So until next time, I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty. We look forward to seeing you here buying this house.